Talofalava everyone. The past tense markers in the Samoan language are na and sa. But when do you use na and when do you use sa? Let's say you and a friend had been arrested for breaking and entering. Your alibi is that you two were walking home at the time in question. You were not at the house because you were in the process of walking at that time. So there's no way you could have done it. So your advice to your friend is just say you weren't even there yet. At that time in the past, we were walking and had not completed the action of walking. Sa savavali. But the police have proof that at that particular time in the past, you two were done walking and you were already in the house with your friend committing the crime. The completed action of the two people walking would be na savavali. So when referring to an action that occurred at a specific time in the past, if the action was completed, over and done at that time, na as in na savavali. If the action was occurring or had not been completed at that specific time in the past, then it's sa as in sa savavali.